Open Claude.ai on your browser and log into your account. To start, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Artifacts icon. Select New Artifact to open a dedicated workspace for your project. Once the window appears, choose Start from Scratch, then type a prompt like Design a modern landing page or Write a Python script. Claude will generate the content directly in the artifact window on the right. If you want to make changes, simply type a follow-up instruction, such as change the theme to dark mode or add a contact form. On your PC, you can toggle between the Preview and Code tabs to see exactly how your project looks. When you are satisfied with the results, click the Download or Copy button to save the file to your device. This is the best way to manage complex code, documents, and web snippets in one place. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.